Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is your brother series Harlisha and welcome back to my YouTube channel How to Seek. Today in this video I'm gonna tell you the easiest method of writing a script for your YouTube video or any sort of thing. If you are giving a presentation or speech to someone and want to write a script for that, so today in this video I'm gonna show you the easiest method, one of the easiest method through which you can write a script for any sort of thing. Is if you are a content creator or you're gonna give a speech or gonna give a presentation, any sort of thing, when you which you are trying to write a script for that. So today in this video I'm going to show you the easiest method how you can write a script for that. So be with me in this video, don't skip any part, otherwise you wouldn't understand. Okay, let's go toward the video. But before starting it, I'm going to do a little bit request to you that if you like and subscribe my YouTube channel, so make sure that you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well for the further informative videos like this. Let's go. So this is my mobile screen, and now you have to go and open your Chrome browser and search here in the search bar Chatgpt and search. You can see here the first one website. Click on it simply and a little bit scroll. You can see here try Chatgpt. Okay, click on it and there we go. This is the dashboard of OpenAI Chatgpt. Click on the bar and we're gonna write a script for our YouTube video. So what we have to do is click on the bar and then whatever you want, I'm gonna show you the method. So we're gonna write a script for my YouTube video. What is affiliate marketing? And then click on the arrow option. Okay, so there we go. You can see here they will write the whole script for our YouTube video. Even they will write the intro and outro of the video as well. Just like in the intro I said anytime, like hello everyone, assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's like this is the intro. They will write the intro even as well. Okay, so you can see here the OpenAI or ChatGPT is writing anything. Okay, there you go. You can see here all the whole script of where you just copy it and remember it and take a clues a little bit, and then like create a content on it. It's not important that you're just copy the things which ChatGPT is right, and like you copy it and then make a content on it. It's also good talk, but you have to take ideas and clues from that. Okay, when you take ideas and clues and tell it to your audience in your language. So this is all about today video. If the video is a little bit informative, so make sure that you give the thumb to the video as well, and for our appreciation and our goodness, you have to write your opinion in the comment below as well, and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye.